looking for the word right and couldn't get there.
We're in Essex Market. I'm with Jeanette and she's gonna show me around and we're gonna figure out what to eat and cook in her apartment. We have no clue what we're making, so this is all gonna be off the dome. I'm excited. It looks stinky. Stink, Billy Blue.
To show. Should we get two? I always
two.
I can always use Spam. I'll keep the other one.
Okay, we decided that we're gonna make different types of kimbap. We're gonna go crazy. She has rice, the seaweed, some kimchi. We just got some Spam. Do you have eggs?
I only have 2 eggs, so let's get a dozen.
We're gonna get some eggs. Do you want to put like shigamchi? Like
I would love to, but I can't make it as good as my mama. She just puts like the perfect amount of salt and the perfect amount of time.
Oh, we can try that.
Okay.
We can do.
Okay.
Jeanette and I just felt up like 10 avocados.
It was lovely. I enjoyed it.
So now we're gonna fill up some more avocados at another joint. Okay, so now our idea has evolved. We might do one Japanese one and one Korean one. And slash, once you make all the separate ingredients, then you can make any type that you want. So now we're at the Japanese store.
It's Oshinko, right, in Japanese?
I don't know what the name is actually.
Oh no, that's it. That's it.
Is it?
Yeah, it's pickled radish.
Okay.
We don't need that much though.
We found some yuzu, so we're gonna make a yuzu cocktail. Jeanette doesn't have gin, but it's okay. We're gonna figure it out.
Actually, I don't know where it came from. I only have room for 1 set of bowls. Okay, how much rice do we want?
We can always use rice. Always use rice. Okay,
oh, it's too much. We can always make, I can always make fried rice tomorrow.
Okay, so
Oh, I should.
I'm on hotteok duty, so let's see. We'll see what happens.
Welcome to my kitchen!
Jeanette is an amazing chef, cook.
I am not. Truly though, like my whole thing is, like least equipment, least amount of like, plates and stuff.
Yeah.
How many times do you wash your rice?
A lot.
Yeah.
But, okay, yeah, okay, great question. So Tyler, he washes it once, and I was like, no.
Especially because it's not Korean rice. And like it's
dirty,
here.
you guys.
Yeah, it's really
rice
dirty.
is dirty.
It's also, if you think about it, there's just so much more surface area that could be dirty.
Yes.
And so you really have to think about how much
I'm sorry,
dirt.
Tyler, I did not mean to throw you under the bus, but I feel like there's a lot of people who do that, and I just wanted to, like, this is a PSA. Wash your rice.
Oh, you don't have to clip it, just roll it up and use a rubber band.
Yes, rubber bands, okay.
Dude, that Alpha situation, and if the Container Store wants to sponsor me, that's the Alpha solution, and it like costs like over $100. But look at how much I fit on there.
Guys, this is like New York kitchen optimization right here. I need one of these. I need something to hang my, ideally, I would want something to hang my pots and pans, like in my dream kitchen. I've already thought about my dream kitchen multiple times.
Oh, same. That's like the only
room that really matters.
Yeah. It's funny, real estate agents say women go for the kitchen and men go for the bathroom. That's when like they're really impressed. It's not to say it's because women cook, but it's the idea that like we're just like drawn to it more like aesthetically.
Yeah, like because like that has to be true because like there's so many people who don't cook, but they're like, I want a kitchen that's awesome.
Exactly. But I think women pay better attention to the kitchen,
yes,
and men pay better attention to the bathroom.
And I love that in New York the ovens are petite, and some people might hate it when they cook a lot, but for like very small kitchens, it just makes sense.
I can fit a full sheet.
Yeah, in here.
I think. Is this a full sheet or is this a half sheet?
I think that might be a half. Oh,
Okay,
yeah, it's a full sheet because it's deeper.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I obviously
you
clean
can
it.
get.
Don't embarrass me.
I won't get too close. But yeah, it's great. They've like really figured out how to maximize the space. It's gonna be pretty quick. So basically we're just gonna blanch. So this is like, you know, you guys see the penton in the Korean restaurant. This is what we're doing. Gotta chill this so that the color stays nice and green. Then you squeeze the living hell out of it. Get all the water out. Salt, sesame oil, sesame seeds, done. We're just doing all the eggs now. This egg baby is cooling. You gotta cool it before you cut into it. Jeanette is on carrot duty. We're doing it Korean style, so just really quick heat. Just so that, you know, you gotta keep the crunch, but it's like slightly softer. Some sesame oil, salt. You can make a cute lunchbox.
Oh, 도시락!
I know. So the drink is gonna be a yuzu Thai basil. I don't know, is it gonna be Collins?
Kind of, I guess.
Kind of?
What a lovely smell. Oh!
Yes. That. Everyone should get a microplane.
100%.
It's
They're like
definitely worth
$5 too, and
Yeah.
mine hasn't gone bad yet. Like
Yeah.
gone dull.
So good. Yuzu.
Whoa.
I did not think they would have this many seeds.
This is insane.
Oh, wow.
Should we just, you want me to just squeeze the juice?
Yeah.
I don't think we're gonna get that much juice out of these.
I don't think so. I literally was...
I didn't realize there'd be so many seeds.
Well, exactly. So we might have to supplement with some lemon.
That's fine.
I think that's fine.
This is the water like basin, so
Wonderful.
they like grow out.
All right, so we're gonna use this guy. Basil, cucumber, muddle with the vodka. Put some yuzu juice, supplement with lemon if necessary, simple syrup.
It smells great in here. I know. That yuzu really, I mean, it's so good.
It's good. So, okay, rim of root yuzu.
I used the lemon rind and we'll just do a half because we have style.
Oh.
Okay, that's kind of gorgeous.
Oh my God.
Okay.
You do that to release all that lovely
Okay, I think
aromatics.
we made a beautiful fucking drink.
Just a casual dinner with Jeanette. So, rice, avocado, cucumber. This is pickled radish, kimchi, sauteed seasoned carrots, egg, spam, spicy mayo tuna, spinach because health. And we have some sesame oil that we're gonna put around to make it tasty. Some toasted sesame seeds. Jeanette has provided some lovely seaweed kim. And yeah, we're just to do, make your own roll. And then these drinks just came out so well. I'm so happy. Well, let's do another cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers.
This is amazing. It's a little too much view of my apartment, but whatever.
You're like, yeah, less.
What's that bowl of water for?
The bowl of water is for your hands, because we're doing this by hand, let's be honest. After they get really sticky and gross, as you put all this stuff in. The first roll is always like, did I put too much of XYZ? All right. Let's not get overzealous here. I'm gonna go very traditional in this first one. Oh my God, okay. Oh, my mom's gonna be like, you did not put enough rice.
Yeah, I was about to tell you that you need more rice.
Rookie mistake. Okay, but I just need it really just to
stick.
stick.
It's the glue.
And then look at you guys. You just put this on the edges.
For a little sheen.
For a little sheen. And look, guys, great. Yeah, that bite was not cute. Well, that's because like the spinach is like all long, and I was like, oh my God. And then kimchi is too. But like, it's so good, you guys. So we're just gonna do that. I might have max 2 more rolls in me, but I need to like make sure I like pick wisely which ones I do. We're gonna clean up, make some hotteok, which is wild.
That'll be our treat for cleaning.
Yes. We gotta pack this up. We did pretty good though.
Oh yeah. Plus it's not too much extra.
Oh, this is the perfect container. That drink, I could have
had 6 more.
I could have had another. Sad.
Okay, that's better. That's better. Create a bit of a hole.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. All right, we're getting to business. Put a lot in. That's not enough. Some of these are not going to be as sweet as the other ones. It's fine. It's called process.
Yeah.
It's called learning.
Yes.
Well, that's not bad.
That's
not
pretty
bad.
good. There we go.
I would burst a little bit. That's okay.
It's
That's
okay. Okay.
Fucking insane.
Where did you get this?
Some.
Really?
Or H Mart or Hamyan.
Like, we need any more food. Some hotteok. Oh, this is good. This is one of my favorite desserts. But the best ones have like a lot of like stuff inside. Yeah. All right. Well, that was our night. That was our dinner date for 2 on the fly.
How long did that take us?
That took us 5 hours. A casual Thursday night dinner, y'all. For the culture.
The culture. We were 1.5 Koreans, but we had enough food for 4 Koreans. And a couple white people too.
Yes. Typewriter. Tell me about it.
So I own a 1955 vintage typewriter, and I got it at a garage sale for like $15, and it works actually perfectly. I've taken it to like a typewriter shop. They're like, this is like in incredible condition. But anyways, what I do, my whole Etsy business is you send me a poem, you send me a letter, I'll type it up for you. I like have choice papers available in my shop. I can add like rubber stamping or like wax sealing. And then I like send it out to wherever you want. Sometimes I send it directly to the recipient, like, please send my friend a birthday card, type this message. Sometimes it's like, I want to have this poem hung up in my home, please type it, I'll frame it, and then, yeah.
And they're beautiful, you guys. They're really works of art.
Check it out.
Yes. I'll link it in this video.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, yes.